It's finally ready. The new website from learnNX. You can get started right away, or take a look around first. Here you will find the 3 modules of the basic course. The modeling course alone contains 59 exercises. The exercises build on each other, and, with each exercise, you will become more and more familiar with the capabilities of NX. Just one click, and you'll have the exercise material, or start the video, which explains everything step by step. Modeling exercise M3-1, with the focus on create and dimension sketch, revolve, and screw hole. Create your first sketch and learn how to position and dimension them. You can choose between several languages.
Sketch screw hole वाले एक साधारण revolve part का आधार होता है.
Files findest du als Download im PDF-Format zum Ausdrucken oder du kannst sie auch.
Look for the globe in the bottom left corner. But even after the basic courses, there is still a lot to learn. For example, surface modeling. Learn how a turbine or propeller is constructed. Neither of these components consists of simple geometric shapes such as cylinders, cubes or cones, but they are nevertheless subject to certain rules. Even this designer chair is subject to rules. This comprehensive exercise shows you how to design such objects as a designer and then present them. And under tips and tricks, you will find solutions to typical questions about Siemens NX. Of course, you can also use the search function. For example, for topics such as wave or customer defaults. If you would like to support the channel, click on Become a Member. Then you can also watch the premium videos and receive notifications on YouTube when new videos are online. But there are not only NX users worldwide, there are also partners who can support you. That's why learnNX now has a marketplace. Here you can search for specialists for your requirements. Or present yourself. Where do your skills lie? What do you want to offer? What is your superpower? Be part of it. Whether as a member or partner. You are very welcome.